Is rolling tobacco healthier than regular cigarettes?
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're delving into an important topic that many people have questions about. Is rolling tobacco healthier than regular cigarettes? The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think, so let's explore this in depth.
What is rolling tobacco?
Rolling tobacco, also known as hand-rolling tobacco, is a type of tobacco that users roll themselves into cigarettes. This form of smoking is often perceived as a natural or healthier alternative to manufactured or regular cigarettes. But the question is, does this perception align with the facts?
Is rolling tobacco healthier than regular cigarettes?
Contrary to popular belief, rolling tobacco is not healthier than regular cigarettes. This is a common misconception because some smokers believe that the natural aspect of rolling your own cigarettes somehow makes them less harmful. However, the truth is that the health risks associated with both forms of smoking are similarly severe. While it's true that some commercial cigarettes may contain additional chemicals and additives, all tobacco products, whether rolled or commercial, contain harmful substances like nicotine and carcinogens. These substances are the primary cause of diseases linked to smoking, such as lung cancer, heart disease, and stroke.
What does the research say?
Research shows that smokers of hand-rolled cigarettes are at a higher risk of developing lung and oral cancer compared to those who smoke manufactured cigarettes. This could be due to the fact that roll-your-own cigarettes often don't have filters, leading to higher levels of tar and nicotine being inhaled. Moreover, studies also indicate that smokers of roll-your-own cigarettes might inhale more smoke because these cigarettes can burn faster than manufactured ones, leading to increased exposure to the harmful substances. So there you have it. The bottom line is that no form of tobacco is safe or healthy. Regardless of how it's packaged or consumed, tobacco poses serious health risks. Remember, the only way to significantly reduce the risk of smoking-related health problems is to quit smoking altogether. We hope this video has clarified some misconceptions and equipped you with factual information. Stay informed and make wise health decisions.